Hi, I'm Rebecca Behrens, and I'm going to show you how to do a little tiny top knot with shorter length hair using one of our acrylic U-pins. Now, if your hair is very slippery or if it's very healthy, there's two products that we have that will really help to give your hair some hold without giving it that sticky texture that hairspray does. And so, if you are just hopping out of the shower and you want texture, I really recommend using our sea salt spray. It provides great texture for very fine or slippery hair. I love it for when I kind of want to scrunch my hair up and get those great beachy waves. If you're planning on applying heat to your hair, then our thermal defense does an amazing job of protecting your hair. It puts a little layer of protection on it from that heat, but it also helps it to hold better when you're styling it later. So those are the two products I really recommend if you have trouble with your hair being too slippery. Now, to do the top knot, you're just gonna grab this little top portion of hair here. And then depending on how high up you want it, I mean, you can put it right up front. You could do it more toward the back, but I'm gonna do it right up front since I'm styling toward the camera. And I'm just gonna make like a little bun and just twist it around itself. And then you can even pull your ends through the middle of that bun if you want them more tucked away. But what I really like to do, and some people will say, you're using that wrong, but I like how it holds better, is I'm going to take the acrylic U-pin, and normally they go in this way, and you can put it in this way. If you do that, you want to grab a little part of the twist, and then pull it the opposite way, kind of like a lever, and then push it back through the twist. And so that you can do that, and I would push it through. I've got to look at my mirror over here. I'd push it through just a little bit more. Can you see that? But I like to do it the opposite way, where I'm actually kind of scooping it in. And so what I'll do is I'll put it in one side, I'll scoop down to the center of that bun, and then pop it out the other side, like this. And it gives a really cute little top knot there. It is a great way to kick up your style a notch when you have shorter hair. A lot of people just wear their short hair down all the time because they don't have ideas for what they can do with it. So this is another great option for you. I'm Rebecca Behrens. I'm making life beautiful one woman at a time. If you like helping women to feel confident and giving them an extra source of income, I hope you'll consider joining me as a stylist. Message me for more information.